Next, sixth one, fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. Preposition na ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. First one, for Satish, everything seems dash some pantomime show. So for Satish, everything seems like dash from some pantomime show ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟಮೈಮ್ ಶೋ ಇಂದ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋ ತರ ಆತನಿಗೆ ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳ ತರ ಗೋಚರವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So this is from the 12th para of your lesson. Same sentence na ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 12th paraದಲ್ಲಿ. For Satish, everything seems like scenes from the pantomime show. Next, second one, Satish Gujral is among the foremost artists of India. ಭಾರತದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಲಾಕಾರರು. ಓಕೆ, foremost means front line. Okay. This is from the 35th paragraph of your lesson. Okay. So first one, for Satish, everything seems like scenes from some pantomime show. So in the from ಅನ್ನೋ preposition use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The same sentence is given in your 12th paragraph of the lesson. You can go and see that. Okay. And second one, Satish Gujral is among the foremost artists of India. Here you have to use of. Okay. So this is from 35th paragraph of your lesson.